So today I'm going to show you the most simple Dutch oven dessert ever. I can't wait to show you, so stay tuned. Hi, thank you for joining me today. I'm Holly with Let's Go Now Adventures, and if we haven't met before, thank you so much for joining me. You know, we have a camping channel where we put out tips and tricks about all things camping. And whether you tent camp or you RV camp, we just hope to help make your experience a little bit easier and a little bit better. So today I've got a fantastic recipe that is so super simple easy. It's an apple crisp delight that cooks up in your Dutch oven. And let me tell you, it doesn't get easier than this. So if you like this video today, give me a big thumbs up, and also we would love to have you subscribe to our channel so when we put out new tips and tricks, you'll be notified. So let's get started on this super easy recipe. So all it takes is some apple pie filling, some oatmeal cookie mix, and a little bit of butter. Like I say, super simple. Okay, so let's get started. Once again, it's simple and easy. So today I'm going to be using a Dutch oven liner, which will make cleanup a snap. We're going to take our Dutch oven liner, and then we're going to take our apple pie filling, add 2 cans, and just dump that in. Now I'm using a 12-inch Dutch oven and a 12-inch Dutch oven liner. So if you're using a larger one, you may need 3 cans of pie filling. And the neat thing about this recipe is you can use any type of pie filling. You could make a cherry pie. But this apple pie is what I thought sounded so good today. Now I'm going to take my bowl, and I've already got the butter melted. It's a half a cup of butter, which is 1 stick. And I'm going to go ahead and stir that butter around. And then we're going to pour our oatmeal cookie mix into the bowl and just get that all mixed up nice and good. Now, if your butter isn't melted, that's okay. You can just put it in a little bit softened and then kind of mix it up with your hands. So let's mix that up real good. Like I said, this is so simple. We've got the apple pie already in. We're just going to pour this oatmeal cookie mix on top, and it's going to just be wonderful and crispy when we pull it out of the Dutch oven. Stir that up really good. Okay, now I'm going to take my apple pie filling, and we're just going to pour our cookie mix over the top. Now this recipe is fun because you could add maybe some cinnamon or some nuts, you know, just to make it a little bit special. Okay, we've got that on. We're just going to smooth it out a little bit. Okay, so it's ready for the Dutch oven. Now, we're going to cook this for about 25 minutes at a temperature of 350. So I've got the coals all ready. We're going to use 8 coals on the bottom and 12 coals on top for about 25 minutes. So let's go over there and get it started. You've got a crispy, crunchy oatmeal crust over hot, bubbly apple pie filling. Oh, it looks so delicious. Okay, wow, this is so fast and so easy. I think you will really like it. So give it a try. If you do try it, leave a comment below and let me know how it worked out for you. You know, I hope I've given you maybe a tip on a fun camping recipe that will work for you. So if you like the video, give me a big thumbs up. I'd also love to have you subscribe to our channel. And so from Let's Go Now Adventures, I'll see you on the next adventure. Bye-bye.